Hey guys, it is Monique, or Coach Mo as you may know me, and today I'm just going to break down the different levels of the Power Lead system. Everyone keeps asking me about what levels, what can I come in, how much, blah blah blah. And I just want to say to you, if you want to earn more, I advise you to come all in because any level that you start at, you're going to start getting leads right off the bat. And if you're not on that level, that higher level, your sign up, your commission will hop right over your head and go right to your sponsor. And who wants that? I heard as well from my one of my mentors or my sponsors that when they first started, they tried to start the lowest level and two commissions went right over their head. And they decided that's it, enough is enough. I am going all in. So that's one thing I would suggest. But if you aren't able to, that's totally fine. You can still make a nice pouring in income with whatever level you go to because this system duplicates and it works. Let me just say that. So the first level is a 7-day free trial. If you just want to give it a test run, just see how everything looks, see what it offers, hey, that's available to you. The next level is the gold, where you become an affiliate. That level will allow $20 a month payment every single month for whoever is under you. So whenever you get a gold commission, just know you are creating yourself a monthly residual income without talking to anyone. Like, what? $53 a month for this level. Only monthly level. The second level is the diamond, and that one is 147 one time, allowing $100 over and over pouring into your bank account every Wednesday. Mind you, we get paid every Wednesday. The next level after that is the diamond. Or did I just mention the diamond? I did. Next is the platinum. That is a $497 membership, earning you $400 over and over and over and over again. Let me tell you, $400 and not doing anything just one time a week is crazy. And yeah, so those are the different levels. And you get so much. I probably wouldn't have enough time to show you everything you get here. You get email campaigns where they are going to follow up with all of your signups. So that's why it's autopilot. You don't have to bug them, you don't have to email them, and people eventually upgrade. People eventually, they may not see it right off the bat, but after repetition, they will come to your tree and take your apple eventually. Okay, and that's what this email campaign is for. It's amazing. Second, you get a bunch of sales funnels. Look at this one. This is super high converting one. This one made my team and I thousands. I'm telling you, it's crazy how easy this one converts. And I think it's the suspense of people wanting to know what's on the other side. Then you got this 30-minute video that when you are asleep in your bed, this video is gonna sell and tell for you. Do you hear me? Like this this is amazing. Like it's amazing. Very high converting as well. And then you got so much training on how you can get, the training area is huge. Then you got free leads, free ads, paid for leads, paid traffic. Amazing. So, yes, I think that wraps it up on explaining the different levels. And I will be back with another video. If you have any more questions, check out profitwithmo.com and write me on Facebook, message me if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.